No. Of course. Hello once again, YouTube. I should probably get off the screen. And today we're gonna be playing some more derp game. But if I survive for 1 minute, you will see something beautiful. I cannot wait to upgrade this game, like even more than adding like one enemy. As you can see it right there, but I mean, you don't know what it does. It has twice the speed of the Nyan cat and the U cat, bro, and it happens to just have okay, but it has twice the speed as the Nyan cat and U cat, bro, and it takes 3 more shots. No, they're faster. It's faster than me. They're faster, I'm pretty sure, the Nyan cats alone. So the freaking new enemy guy will not be fun. Okay, I think it's been about a minute. Ugh. Crap. I really want to see this thing in action, like, because I set it up successfully. Okay, so that was nearly a fail. Okay, so it's like a boss battle meeting, that thing. Basically, once you reach 1 minute, so once I do my personal my fun little game mode where I don't touch the mouse, it's gonna be heck if I can even survive for 1 minute. Yeah, I might just on the start of the layout not even have these first the first Nyan cat and U cat, bro. Come on, I just want to survive for 1 minute to meet this thing, so I can debut it on my channel. So yeah, guys, I will be updating this game as much as possible, so I can keep playing it for you guys. And if I can find out how, I'll release it on Dropbox so y'all could possibly get it yourselves. I don't know anything about Dropbox, so. But this is still quite the game. Construct 2, they did an excellent job. And it's just the free version that I have, so, I mean, just seeing this alone, like on a free version, it's very, very well made. So, oh, those things are sometimes a pain in the butt. And the booty. It's okay. So, all right. What I'm gonna feel like doing? All right. Nope. I'm just gonna survive for 1 minute. This is a game. Has to be difficult. I mean, if you've survived for 1 minute, by then you've probably had a strategy. I might be able to add like a new thing, possibly like every. Let's see, maybe. Oh, what was that? Did I just see something? I'm pretty sure it was just the enemy meeting with the textures in the background. Oh my gosh, they started overwhelming me. So I'm gonna try and see if there's a way to like upgrade your weapon. Like maybe you can upgrade your weapon whenever it's done. Like every 40 seconds maybe. So he might be so the Mexican Nyan cat, which you still haven't even seen him because it's freaking stupid. Oh my gosh, I'm not killing like any. I need to. I need to give myself the assurance of safety. Because my score is so low right now, that shows that there are definitely quite a few out by now. Oh my gosh, sometimes the angle will kill me. Just the angle alone. No, mouse, mouse! Oh my gosh, it got... That really hurts my head, but still. Oh, I was so close. Oh yeah, the return of the Nerd's headphones, by the way. I haven't been using them. But anyways. Okay. I'm gonna see if this works. Each time I see a target, I'm just gonna keep rapid fire, and then each time I see a target, just aim to it. So I might make like a line of sight for the you cat bros maybe, or for the Nyan cats. So, you know, they won't like go towards you. I don't know. Cause then I wouldn't really need the. Then I could bound everything to the layout. And then, did y'all see that, everyone? That was what happens whenever you've been alive for 1 minute. That was the Mexican Nyan cat. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I did this, the freaking easiest strategy. Like, it's hardly a strategy, it's just freaking, it's just scared pretty much. It's cowardism. Nope, 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 nope. Man, it took quite a while for it to be 1 minute, but I'm sure that I'm gonna run into another one. Oh gosh. Just cheap. $790. Okay. Well, while that was really fun, I just thought that I might as well start upgrading. I'll see y'all later now. It's a freaking game. But wait, there's more. We still have to do the no-click game mode. Real quick, because I only have a few minutes left because of this. Drop this stuff. Okay. Could you now? Oh my gosh, mouse, really, brah, really. All right. Okay. Just have to survive. 'Cause you're the best around, and no one's ever gonna bring you down. Yep, going back to old habits, guys. Singing in the middle of videos. Oh, did you see that? Did you see his ankles get broken? Oh my gosh, I need to... Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to like, comment, subscribe. As always, stay derpy. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to like, comment, subscribe. And as always, stay... You got that!